first. Be sure to use a brush that's safe for cleaning, one that doesn't have any bristles that could come off into your food. Another idea is to use an onion cut in two, a piece of tinfoil scrumpled up, a pumice stone, or a wood-faced brush. You should really be cleaning your barbecue every time you use it. The first reason is, do you really want to put your new food over top of the old food that's been sitting there for a week? Also, chunks of food sitting on your barbecue when you're not there are an invitation to wildlife to come and share your dinner, bears in particular. And even if bears are not an issue in your neck of the woods, you're setting yourself up for a potential grease fire. Also, if you clean your grill regularly, it will be a very quick and easy job. Our experts recommend doing two things at minimum. The first is scraping off the grates. The second is cleaning out the grease pan. The pan doesn't need to be spotless, but there shouldn't be any accumulation of grease either. If you see it start to build up, just scrape it out. Two other things to keep an eye on. If you see what looks like black paint flaking off the underside of the lid, it's probably carbon buildup. To get rid of it, just scrape it lightly and then wipe it away. Also, if you use a cover, make sure your barbecue is dry before you put it on. A damp cover on a damp barbecue is a recipe for molds.